Hey guys, this is Derek with the Garage Door Guy, and today I want to talk to you about the cables and bearings on your garage door system. So first of all, your cable, you'll notice it attaches your bottom bracket, which is on the bottom of your garage door. It attaches it up to this drum on the torsion bar. So these cables are steel. They're rated about 15,000 cycles. After about 15,000 cycles, you may start to see them fray. And so when you look at your cable here, you'll actually see pieces of the steel strand kind of poking out. And that just means that your cable is wearing and needs to be replaced. If that is the case, please give us a call. That is not something you want to try yourself. Next thing I want to talk to you about really quick is bearings. Most people don't even think about this, but your garage door system has bearings. Typically, on a typical garage door, there's about 3 bearings. The first one and second one are going to be on both ends of the torsion bar, which is this bar here that stretches out across the door. This is your first bearing right here, and it just basically turns inside. And then your second bearing is on the opposite side. Your third bearing is going to be right inside the spring. So right here inside the spring, you'll see this bearing. Again, those bearings as well are rated for about 15,000 cycles. You'll see a common theme in our videos that most garage door parts are rated at 15,000 cycles. So if a bearing does start to fail, basically what you'll see is when this bar turns, you'll see the bearing will not turn. And so the bearing is just staying stationary while the bar turns. Eventually what's going to happen is the bearing will actually eat into this torsion bar and wear it away to the point to where this torsion bar eventually breaks, which is a very costly repair. So if you notice your cable's fraying, or if you notice you have bad bearings, give us a call at 417-413-3813.